Let's be real, nobody's scrubbing toilets. I'd honestly rather do just about anything else, but keeping your bathroom clean is kind of non-negotiable, right? So, what if your next toilet clean could literally be as easy as pour, wait, and flush? That's what FizzClean promises. No scrubbing, no rubber gloves, no wrestling with that gross toilet brush. You just sprinkle a little powder in the bowl, let it fizz and foam for about 20 minutes, then flush. The expanding foam is supposed to crawl up and under the rim, breaking down stains and funky odors, even hitting those spots you never want to touch. FizzClean says it can tackle limescale, rust, mineral deposits, and more, all while being non-toxic and septic safe. Plus, it leaves behind a fresh ocean fresh scent. On paper, it sounds dreamy, especially if you've got a busy schedule, back pain, or you just want to avoid harsh chemicals. But here's the honest scoop. FizzClean shines for regular, light cleans. If your toilet is already pretty clean and you want to keep it that way without extra effort, this works as a nice maintenance step. For really stubborn stains or years of buildup, you'll probably need to grab a brush and do some old-fashioned scrubbing. Bottom line, FizzClean is a time saver if you like things quick and easy, but it's not quite the miracle fix for every toilet disaster. Use it for upkeep, enjoy the break from scrubbing, and keep your expectations realistic. If you've tried it, let me know how it worked for you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest cleaning reviews.